Welcome to our channel Travel Vlog. Our walking tour starts today in a unique town called Morriston. It's 50 miles away from the Wales capital Cardiff. It's adjacent town of Swansea, named after Morriston community living here. Our walking tour starts from Tabernacle Street. Behind the street you will find early 19th cemetery. It's a closed, we can't enter in this cemetery. It's a beautiful structure, still maintained, an old graveyard. This is a historical one. We'll cover all the town center, end up on an unique church called Church on the middle of the road. The morning time, majority of shops are closed. Job center building, those are unemployed, they wanted to get some advice to get jobs or unemployment benefit. They come, they contact. Main town center or high street start from here. Post office. This is the biggest church of the town and one of the most attractive buildings. Now we are going to end off this town, Morriston town walk in front of this church. The church is called St. John Church. If you like particular town walk, please leave a text. Thank you for watching our channel. Local people also called it church in the middle of the road. I hope you will like our tour. Please like and subscribe our channel if you